Good morning mga kawal. Maghugas ako ng sasakyan ko. Kasi super dumi na talaga. Andali lang ha. Andali lang. Natanggal yung hose. Dito ako sa likod. Oh, God! Lakas lang. Sol! Talian din natin itong isa. Malakas ang pressure ng tubig. Yung pressure ng tubig mga kawal, sobrang lakas. Andali. Sobrang lakas. Kasi bago itong ano namin, no? Pressure tank. Sobra, oh. Natatanggal siya. Ito yung garahe namin. Linisin ko yan mamaya. Ito. Linisin ko na to. Ilalak namin yung ano, hose. Kapit pa. Hindi bumaba. Yan. Okay. Ito, mga kawal. Hugas muna ako ng car. Wash muna tayo ng car, ha? Ito, oh. Kagandahan nitong mga kawal na bili kong spray. May lalagyan ng sabon. Hindi na ako magsasabon ng ganun. Pero palitan ko siya. Ay, patayin ko muna. Dadagdagan ko ng sabon. Madulas. Ay, hindi ko na mabuksan. Dali. Dapat dito pala purong sabon. Kasi inaano ng tubig. Nga, we try again. Ay, mapaw. Hindi nalak. Hindi nasarang mabuti. I need a cloth. Wait. Alam ako ng cloth. Kasi Lock to, hindi nalalak eh. Malabas. Oo. I think hindi nalak mabuti. I think lock it through. Ah, no, I cannot open it. I think I have... It's coming out. Damn it. It's giving me hard time. Why? You see? If it's working now. And you know. Yun. See, it doesn't come out anymore, the soap from the container. Okay, now I'm ready. I'm ready to soak the body. Soak the body. Since I don't have nothing to do, this is the job I'm going to do. I like washing my car. Okay, I go first to the glass. All the glass I need to turn to go around to the car. All the glass first. Okay, we are moving now. We are moving to the front. I need to clean this. I need to get the ladder. Cannot reach it. Okay. Okay, I can reach it now because I have standing up to the ladder. Okay. Okay, I'm going to the other side. Other side first. Okay, I'm here to the other side. Time check is 9 o'clock in the morning. You know, I wake up early today. I woke up like 4 o'clock. Then I cannot go back to sleep anymore. And then sitting up in my bed. She's gonna be pretty when after I wash her. She's going to be a beautiful girl after I wash her. I need a ladder. Too far. Okay. Okay. Yes. I reach it. Maybe on the top. Oh my God. Okay. Clean the muffler. I mean the wiper. Muffler, the wiper. Yes. It's really very dirty because we are working here at the house. And all that dust come to her. It's my baby lab. Now I need to clean the body now before I go to the top, to the rooftop. Okay, I think I need soap. Okay, mga kawild, since I don't have nothing to do, this is the best thing, exercise in the morning. Almost finished putting soap in her body. I'm almost done. Here. No, not yet, because I still have to go to the top there. Mga kawild, I'm done soaping it now. I need to spray the water now. Oh, yes. See? Look, oh my God. So dirty is coming out. I'm not done yet in the top. I will be there in a minute. Okay, mga kawild, I'm going to the rooftop now. See? Oh no. I need to go to the other side. I'm here in the top now. Then I'm going here, the other side. Okay. Done. Kung sino yung gustong magpa-carwash dyan, PM lang. Malapit na ako matapos dito. Open the water. Okay, now it's time to dry. It's time to dry with wild. Here mga wild, I already cleaned inside, and all this dirty must be out. I clean all this. I already cleaned all this, the top here. I don't know this one. I know this is very dirty. See? I need to come on the other side. You see here? Yes. Okay. I cleaned that one there already, but I need to clean the there by the steering wheel. Okay, here. Here. Okay, here. I didn't touch this earlier here. Okay. Headlight on. Okay, that's lock. Okay, mga kawild, thank you for watching. And if you have a car, don't hesitate to message me. I will clean your car. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love, love, love.